Hello everyone, good to see you all in this video, and this video is going to be the unboxing of Jio 4G phone, a keypad phone with OLT connection having mobile TV too. With the help of the Jio SIM card you can subscribe anything. So our video sponsor Selvam Mobiles, you can also buy this phone by giving the promo code DEVANT 808 and these are the specifications that they provide in this phone. Similar Jio applications are also pre-installed in this phone. This phone is running by KaiOS, that is KaiOS. Well, time for unboxing. Here the phone and live branded. Then these are the applications that is pre-installed, and you have a charger and the battery itself. So the battery is of about 2000 mAh battery. I feel it is careful to move this phone. Remember, it's a OLT phone, so charge is maybe one day allowable. And let's see, here the charger having 0.7 ampere output, decent for that battery. It's a fast boot, 2.4 inch, and some keypads in the front. On the back you have the 2 megapixel camera, life branded, and bottom you have 3.5mm jack. At the top you have torch and a lanyard. Yes, on the right you have the micro USB 2.0 for the charging and data syncing. No touchscreen, only keypad. The keys are too responsive for me, and here it is, the camera, 2 megapixel camera, decent for this phone, and also having the video recording option. Well, by long press the menu button, the voice search or the assistance just turns on. The tapping up of the arrow, you can see the control center. And let's get into settings. The settings having similar to Android OS. Everything is under the topic. I feel good to use this phone. Well, that's about the unboxing of this Jio 4G OLT phone. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.